The Uttar Pradesh government on Sunday asked authorities in all districts on the bank of river Ganga to be on high alert and continuously monitor the water level after a glacier broke off at Joshimath in Uttarakhand's Chamoli district. The Finance Minister of India, Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman ji, addressed the Abhinandan Sabha, an all-inclusive Earth Sankalp 2021 organized by the Mumbai BJP today. She said that for the first time in the last 100 years, we have faced a global epidemic. It was a big challenge to handle it. Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji had a clear order that there should not be too burden of a single penny on the people. Surviving the countrymen in the first priority of our government. Over 150 people were reported missing and feared dead as a glacier broke off near Rani village in Chamoli district of the Garhwal Himalayas and well into the Alaknanda and Dhauli Ganga rivers on Sunday morning, triggering massive calamity in its wake. Rescue teams were rushed to Uttarakhand on Sunday after a glacier burst in Chamoli district caused flash floods, killing several people. Uttarakhand Chief Minister Trivendra Singh Rawat on Sunday said that the flow from the Tehri Dam was stopped to facilitate the smooth passage of rising waters on Rishi Ganga and Alaknanda rivers in view of the Chamoli flood situation. An estimated 50 to 100 personnel working at a power project in Tapovan rainy area of Uttarakhand are missing, following which search and rescue operations have been launched. Uttarakhand DGP Ashok Kumar said on Sunday after a glacier broke leading to a flash flood in Chamoli district. Altaf Bukhari is Apni party is most likely to dominate majority of 10 district development council in Kashmir Valley, shrinking political space of Gupkar Alliance constituents of major mainstream regional parties like National Conference and PDP, with having already headed Srinagar and Shompia DDCs. A part of the Nanda Devi glacier broke off at Joshimath in Uttarakhand's Chamoli district on Sunday, leading to a massive flood in the Dhauli Ganga river and causing large-scale devastation in the upper reaches of the ecologically fragile Himalaya. There was a massive flood in Uttarakhand Joshimath area due to the water level in Dhauli Ganga river suddenly crossing its regular flow on Sunday morning, followed by an avalanche near a power project at the rainy village of Chamoli district.